Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant wins the prestigious Green Tech Energy Conservation Award 2021 in Platinum category. Work towards making Rourkela a jewel in the crown of Odisha, says CEO RSP while interacting with the trade unions and executive association. And Adarsh Sahayata Kendra inaugurated at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Coming to the news in details, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has won the most prestigious Green Tech Energy Conservation Award 2021 in Platinum category presented by Green Tech Foundation for outstanding initiatives and practices adopted to conserve energy. It is worth mentioning here that the steel plant, under the guidance of Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, who possesses in-depth knowledge about energy management, Rourkela Steel Plant has forayed into various ventures for reducing energy consumption by adoption of renewable energy resources and ensuring a pollution-free environment. The competition was organized in two phases, that is submission of application followed by a presentation and a question-answer round. The presentation session was handled by the team from Energy Management Department led by Mr. B.P. Pandey, DGM EMD, and Business Excellence Department led by Ms. Chaitali Das, GMBE, under the overall supervision of Mr. K.K. Pandey, GM in charge EMD. The jury profusely praised Rourkela Steel Plant for achieving the highest blast furnace gas yield since inception, increased power generation from power blowing station, and minimization of low uncontrolled BF gas pressure to coke ovens battery 6. To achieve these, the EMD team had studied the entire system and conducted pressure survey of BF gas line to battery 6 with respect to BF grid pressure in the modernization zone. Along with the instrumentation department, the EMD team redesigned and replaced orifice with the help of coke ovens. Working with the blast furnace department, the EMD team had also increased BF5 flare stack PVC set point from 800 mm of water column to 900 mm of water column. As a result, the BF gas yield increased to 1685 Newton meter cube per ton of hot metal in July 2020, which was the all-time best since inception. The power generation from power and blowing station 2 went up to 25 megawatt. Coal consumption was reduced to the tune of 3,000 to 4,000 per month in CPP1 and chimney smoking was prevented. Work towards making Rourkela a jewel in the crown of Odisha, said Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, while interacting with the representatives of trade unions and executive association in a virtual mode on 22nd July 2021. The meeting was also attended by Mr. Pankaj Kumar ED Works, Mr. A.K. Kundua ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi ED Operations, Mr. A.K. Pradhan ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy ED PNA, Mr. Rajendra Mishra CGM PNA, and other senior executives of RSP. The CEO thanked the trade union and executive association leaders for their cooperation, which helped to steer the plant in the growth trajectory despite the gravest challenges posed during the pandemic. While condemning the efforts of all stakeholders for their support in neutralizing the human and economic shocks, the CEO said, "In the road to sustainable success and growth, what matters more than production is stakeholder engagement." This was followed by interaction session where the representatives of the trade unions and executive association shared their experiences and concerns. Mr. Himanshu Bal, President, RIKKS, credited the leadership that drove the RSP collective for the stupendous performance of the plant. Mr. P.K. Behra, General Secretary RSS, commended the efforts taken for the welfare of employees and township. Mr. Gopal Das, General Secretary GMM, described Mr. Chattaraj as the best CEO of his time and spoke highly of his amicable approach. Mr. Sasadhar Nayak, General Secretary RMS, appreciated the participative management style of the management in general and that of the CEO in particular, which brought about tremendous changes in the organization. Mr. Basant Nayak, General Secretary SETU, admired the friendly approach of the CEO and his team-building spirit. Mr. Satyapriya Mahanti, General Secretary RWU, appreciated CEO for creating fearless work environment. Mr. Abkash Behra, Vice President RSP Executive Association, exalted CEO for enabling greater bonding and engagement with trade unions and executive association and other stakeholders which came as a ready help during the COVID times. A Model Assistance Center, Adarsh Sahayata Kendra at Sector 7 was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 22nd July 2021. Present on the occasion were Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Operations, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED PNA, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM TA and CSR, Mr. Praveen Nigan, CGN FNA, other senior officials and employees of the plant. The Model Assistance Center, as envisioned by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, aims to decentralize the administrative mechanism of the township for better convenience of the general public. The single-place complaint addressing system also envisages to coordinate with the Town Development Committee for overall development of the area. The center will cater to the requirement of Sector 6, 7, 8 and 9. All problems related to building, road, water supply, electricity, public health, quarter allotment or handover will now be addressed in one place. Anyone having any complaints can approach the center for necessary information. Planning and execution will also be monitored from the same place. The center is adequately equipped with different rooms for different sections along with a computer room and a reception. The center has been designed by Town Services and Town Engineering Department. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.